How to install Defender profiled mesh fencing. Remember, Blok N Mesh recommend that its products are handled and installed by a minimum of 2 people, and installers should wear all mandatory personal protective equipment required for the site, including gloves. Defender from Blok N Mesh is a robust and revolutionary on-ground and relocatable temporary perimeter fencing system with the strength of a rigid mesh fence. If, as shown, a gate is going to be included, we recommend installing the gate first and building out from it. See our separate YouTube video for how to install the standard vehicle gate. If you are not using a vehicle gate, position the first base at the intended starting point of the fence line. Next, measure the correct distance for the next base and place in position, in this case 3 meters. Fit the plastic post cap on top of the post as shown, ensuring the hooks are on the front face of the post. Place post onto the base and then fit the adjustable bracket as shown on the top of each base unit. And then secure with a nut and bolt through the adjustable bracket, ensuring the post is upright before tightening. Defender has the ability to accept a wide range of different ballast options. In this case, we are deploying the Blok N Mesh 275 kg cement-free ballast blocks. Where a higher level of security is required, or material is being affixed to the fence panels, the system can accommodate much larger Kentledge blocks, such as this 750 kg option. Alternatively, 40 or 50 kg ballast blocks, which can be positioned and stacked by hand, are useful in situations where mechanical lifting cannot be used or is not permitted. Finally, water ballast or our green giant ballast boxes are also available. Speak to your Blok N Mesh representative about our site-specific wind load calculation service to determine the appropriate ballast option for your project. The 275 kg cement-free ballast blocks have both forklift pockets and a central lifting pin. These blocks can be directly forklifted into position from the rear of the fence line, or lowered into position from any angle using our lifting clutch, which connects to the hook attachment. Once the ballast is in position, recheck that the post is still upright. Installing the V-mesh panel. Hang the mesh panel between the 2 posts using plastic hooks and secure to the post using the security clamps, sometimes called grippers, with bolts and washers. 6 should be used on each post, evenly spaced out as appropriate. Continue this process along the length of the intended fence line. Sometimes it might be preferable to place a number of bases along the intended fence line before securing the mesh. If so, spacer bars are available to position the bases as shown. When turning a corner, offset the last post in the line as shown and secure. Then fit the 90-degree corner angle to the ends and continue along the new fence line. Blok N Mesh is a market-leading manufacturer, supplier and installer of temporary fencing, site hoarding and barriers. For further information, go to bloknmesh.com.